welcome back to my channel. Today I did this makeup look. Now this is a very elegant but glam wedding guest makeup look. I know you guys must be surprised to see me in this Indian attire and an Indian look after a really long time. That is because it's the season of the weddings and because of the pandemic we could not attend too many weddings last year. So I thought and I really hope that this year is a bit different and we do get our share of fun. While creating this look, I tried to use very less number of products, not minimal number of products, and all the products that I used are under affordable budget. Also, this look is really simple, glamorous, and beginner friendly. Keeping all these points in mind, this look got created. Okay, before moving into the video, I would like to say that in this video I would be giving a voiceover. I am not talking in front of the camera because something is going on near my home and there's a lot of noise pollution here. So I thought it would not be right to talk in front of the camera. I will be back talking in front of the camera in my next video. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you're new to my channel then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me, would keep me motivated and also support my work. So thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started.
So for the primer, I am taking this Insight Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer, and as usual I would be applying it on the areas where I do have my pores and also under my eyes, because this primer very nicely fills up the fine lines. Next, for the foundation, I'm taking this Sugar Ace of Base Serum Foundation in the shade Cortado, and with the dropper provided, first I would be dotting it all over my face, and next with the help of a flat kabuki brush, I will be blending it all over my face and also on my neck because the foundation looks tad bit yellow. With the help of this Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Medium Tawny, I would be applying it just under my eyes to conceal the pigmentation, and would be blending it with the help of the concealer brush. The foundation has pretty good coverage, so I did not apply it on other areas. Next, I am taking the same concealer on this brush to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. For setting everything, I am taking this PAC HD translucent powder, and with the help of a powder brush I would be setting the entire face including my eyelids and also under my eyes where I applied the concealer. For my eyebrows, I'm taking this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and here you can see with the small flicking motion I am filling up the inner part of my brows, and then with the help of the spoolie I am blending it out. Pardon me because the camera did not actually focus on my brows that time, there was some issue going on. And as you can see, I am filling up any gaps or sparse area in a staged fashion. I'm filling up and then I am blending it with the help of a spoolie. This is a different technique than I usually do, but it's okay, I'm trying to do something in a different manner. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Self Bite Size eyeshadow palette in the shade Berry Red, and this Essence Long Lasting eyeliner in the shade Hot Chocolate. And as you can see, I am making a line of just like an eyeliner on the upper eyelid and also extending it outwards on the outer corner. I'm going very close to the eyelashes. It doesn't need to be that precise, and with the help of a pencil brush I am smudging out the liner that I made, the line that I made, and I'm also smudging the outer corners with the help of the same pencil brush. I was trying to make something a graphic eye look kind of thing, if that makes any sense, but I was trying to do something different. Next, I'm taking this reddish brown shade from the same palette, and then I'm setting the eyeliner as well as smudging it, and also packing the pigment or the shade on the crease slight below the crease area in a graphic fashion. And with the help of a fluffy blending brush I am blending it out to make it the crease color or the transition shade. As you can see, the way I'm using circular motions. Next I'm again using that eyeliner pencil and extending it a bit upwards and outwards to get that nice graphic kind of a look. And again, with the help of the pencil brush, I am smudging it out. And finally, with the help of a fluffy blending brush, yet again I would be blending everything so that everything looks blended and not that harsh. Next, with the help of a flat brush, I'm taking this coppery shimmer shade, and this shimmer was too good, you guys. I'm applying the shimmer all over my lids. I did not wet the brush or do anything like that. The brush picked up the shimmer so nicely. The eyeshadow retails for hardly 400 rupees on Nykaa, and it's such a deal. The shades are really beautiful. Pigmentation is insane, and shimmers are to die for. I just hope Nykaa launches the other variants. Again, I'm taking this reddish brown shade and I am smoking out the outer corners of my upper eyelid. Next, I'm taking the same eyeliner pencil to line my lower waterline, and here you can see I'm taking this light brown shade to be applied on the entire length of the lower eyelid using the pencil brush. And finally, again, I'm taking this reddish brown shade and I am smoking out the outer corners of my lower lid and joining it with the upper eyelids. Next, I'm cleaning the pencil brush with the help of a tissue, and to get that defined look to the outer edge, I'm cleaning with the help of a concealer. I'm again taking that reddish brown shade on a fluffy blending brush and I'm applying it on the areas of the face where I do my contouring. I try to use minimal products in this makeup look, so I am using this shade. Recently, I saw a video by Robert Welsh and he said that you do not necessarily need a contour palette. Your eyeshadow palette is as good as a contour shade. Well, yeah, you can see me blending out and it gets such a nice warmth to the face and it contours so nicely. And of course, it is blendable. Next, taking this Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lipstick in the shade 404 or something like that, I am applying it on the areas where I apply my blush. And after blending, you can see there's such a nice hint of color and also a beautiful glow, more like a creme blush. You can always use a lipstick as creme blushes. Taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter and with the help of a pencil brush, I am highlighting my inner corners, and with the help of the same contour brush, I am applying it all on the prominent areas of my face to highlight it. And as always, this is one of my favorite highlighters. I am also using it on my brows to highlight it. For the mascara, I am taking this Essence Lash Princess mascara and applying 2 to 3 coats on my lashes, and taking that same lipstick I am applying on my lips.
So I did the falsies behind the camera, wore the dress and also put on my earrings. These were gifted to me by my husband on Valentine's Day and I really loved them. Okay, and this is the completed look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye-bye. I love you all.